All about social distancing, created by the Easter Seals Illinois Autism Partnership. A lot of people are talking about a new virus called COVID-19 or coronavirus. Everyone is working hard to feel safe and be healthy. The coronavirus germs spread very easily and very quickly. These germs can be spread by touching common objects, coughing, or sneezing. I need to wash my hands a lot so that I can stay healthy and keep everyone around me healthy. When I wash my hands, I can sing happy birthday or count to 20. This will make sure my hands are clean and I stay healthy. Another thing I can do to stay healthy and safe is called social distancing. Social distancing means I cannot be close to other people. A lot of places in the community are closed right now so they can be cleaned. Social distancing also means that crowded public spaces like restaurants, libraries, theaters, and other places might be closed. While places in the community are closed, I may not be able to go to school, adult programs, or work. Fun activities or events might be canceled. This is so we can all stay healthy and safe. These are some things I can do: hiking, journal, running, biking, puzzles, cooking, games, video chat, listen to music, movies, drawing, walking, computer, or read. Social distancing might make me feel worried, sad, or upset. If I feel this way, I can always talk to someone that will help make me feel better. This will be over soon. Social distancing will help keep everyone happy, healthy, and safe. The end.